Today we're looking at one of our resources called Opposing Viewpoints. So from the Tunxis Library homepage at tunxis.edu/library, click on the Article Databases purple tab, and at the very top, under A to Z Databases, you will see in Step 2, Current Controversies, Opposing Viewpoints in Context. You can click right on there. And you can use this resource to either brainstorm for a topic. If you want to choose browse issues, you could look at a giant list of topics, alphabetical. Or if you had a particular area you were interested in looking at, you could choose something like health and medicine, and it would limit the choices here. And you could look into any type of topic here, and it's a one-stop shopping. You can click on school start times. You'll get an overview essay, which is fantastic for setting the stage for your who, what, where, when, how, basics, agreeing on a definition. And the most important part of Opposing Viewpoints are the viewpoint essays. So there are 4 in this one, and there are 9 featured viewpoint essays as well. So you could just scroll down and you'll only see the top 3. So if you click on featured viewpoint 9, you'll see all 9. And these are great for argumentative essays, persuasive essays, finding a pro and con for a topic. And you can just click right on there and get the full text. There's a tool for citing in MLA, usually for English classes. You can email it, download it, print it, listen to it, translate it, find all related articles, look at other related subjects, and there's the complete article. Great resource for argumentative essays. Thank you.